Hello everyone, I'm back. In this tutorial, we are going to create an Instagram reel cover. Let's start by logging in or signing up via your own account. You can just log in straight away using your own email. Here I use my Gmail account. Then create a design button on this corner and search for Instagram Reel. So now we are going to add content to this blank page. Go to the side panel, click the video, and I type for Turkey. And adjust the video accordingly. Then go to the text tool and add a heading. I type Istanbul, then drag the text to the top. And change the color. Choose the font you think appropriate. Okay, this one I like it. Now let's add some effect to the title or text. Okay, it looks better. Then add a subheading. I type "in a nutshell" and drag it to the top below the title. Change the font. Okay, this one. We can use a rotate tool, this one, to make it a bit artistic. And add the effect. Change the color. And animate the text. This is for Pro subscription. You can try 30 days free through my link in the description below, so you can get more feature to animate the text. Then go to the element side panel and type the arrow and find the arrow you want. I think this one. Click the arrow and position the arrow at the bottom. Yep, here. Beautiful. Then I think we need to add the music. Go to the side panel. Scroll down and click right here, more, and audio. Search for the music. For example, I type for Istanbul. Drag this music. I know this is for Pro, but it's just for sample. I guess no issue. Cool, we're done. Okay, now we can download by clicking this share button. Perfect. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel.